What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now in this video we are going to be talking about making money with Amazon. There's lots of ways of making money, and I'm going to show you a couple of methods that you can make money with Amazon and to make money with affiliate marketing as well. So check this out. So these are my Amazon sales. This is actually a real-time dashboard. It's not Photoshop or anything like that. This is what you're looking at it. And I've been doing Amazon for many years now, and I know exactly how it works and how you can make money with it. All right. So let's talk about the method now, right? So if you Google something like this, you're going to see that Amazon, with 54% of product searches taking place, is the world's largest search engine for e-commerce. And what a lot of people don't know is that Amazon is actually the third largest search engine behind Google and behind YouTube, right? So there's a lot of traffic, there's a lot of eyeballs on Amazon, right? And so let's talk about how you can make money on Amazon by selling Kindles as well as print books, okay? So the first thing you want to do is you want to go on Amazon and think about the kind of niche you want to create a book in, right? So for instance, you can go here, and you can go into bestsellers, new releases. You can go into books and you can take a look. You can just go into this category and you can see what kind of books are people selling. Now, let me explain to you something very important. When you do this, you're going to see two types of books, okay? You're going to be seeing traditional books, okay, meaning like written by real authors, and you're going to see books that are written by people like me and maybe people like you in the future as well, that are looking to make money by writing books on certain topics. Okay, so for instance, here we have Magic Tree House, right? Okay, so here's a book, These Tangled Wines, a novel. It has 19,000 reviews, it's $5. This is written probably, most likely, by a real author, okay? You want to ignore these books because the angle we're looking for is we're not trying to be a real author, right? We're trying to make money. Now, if you want to be an author, that's cool. But in this method, I want to show you how you can make money with Amazon. Here's a book, Atomic Habits, 45,000 reviews. Now, this book, on the other hand, it's based on a specific topic. And as a result, this is a book that you can write to make money, right? This is a self-help book. This is not a book. This is not a novel. This is not a Pulitzer Prize winning novel. And that is the kind of books you're looking for, right? What happened to you? Here's another novel, a sci-fi alien, right? We're not talking about sci-fi. Here's another novel, A Promised Land, Barack Obama, right? We are looking for certain niches, okay? And so if you go in here, right, you have all of these categories, right? You're going to ignore things like, you're going to ignore sci-fi, you're going to ignore romance, religion, all of these things. But you may go into self-help, right? Self-help, you're not going to have, a lot of these novels there, right? You have these books here at self-help that are books that you can possibly write as well. So the next thing you want to do is you want to pick an area that you want to, write a book in, right? I'm going to give you three main areas, right? The first one is making money. So for instance, if I go in here and I type make money from home, I'm going to find books. These are not going to be Pulitzer Prize winning authors. Look at this, 25 ways to work from home, right? It's actually a sponsored listing. They're buying ads, right? You have this one, Make Money from Home. Now, if we scroll down, you have Make Money Online. This is not an ad. This book is actually showing up. And these are the kind of books that you can write to make money. Escape the 9 to 5, The Hustle and Grind of Work from Home Recruiter. Right, these are the kind of books. Now, this is one category. The next one is fitness, how to lose weight. Right, does this sound familiar? Because these are the same categories that you're going to be researching whenever you want to sell ClickBank offers or anything like that. Look at this one, how to lose weight. Now, take a look at this one. These are sponsored listings. You want to ignore those. You want to scroll down and you want to take a look at how to lose weight, the satiety diet, etc., etc. And the other thing about these books is that these books are not going to be very long, right? So if we go back to how to make money, let's say we go to this book. I guarantee you this book is going to be like 100 pages. 137 pages, right? So you're looking for books to write that are less than 100 pages or at the most 150 pages, which is not a lot. You're not going to be writing a 300-page novel. You can even write a 50-page book, right? You won't be able to sell it for, $9.99, but you'll be able to sell it for a good price, maybe $5.99, maybe $6.99, right? If you have like 50 pages. So that's another thing you want to pay attention to, right? So take a look at this one. If we do how to lose weight, right? Something like this. And we scroll down, you're going to have this book's $29. How many pages is it? Oh, 790 pages. Okay, that's way too much, right? If we scroll down, how about this one? Lose 10 pounds in 10 days, 44 pages. Perfect example of a book that you can possibly write. It's $8.95. It's only 44 pages, launched in 2017, and still getting very, very good placement in the search results, right? Here's another one, The Magic of Lifting Weights, right? This is not a Pulitzer Prize winning book. 194 pages, still a lot. You want to shoot for 150 maximum, right? So take a look at this. Stop Binging, Taming the Wolf. So how about this one? How many pages does it have? 28 pages. There you go. This is a very, very small book. It's only 422. It's a very book. You can write something like this in an afternoon. It's that small, right? This is the second category. The third category is self-improvement. Okay, this is another huge, huge category. So for instance, if you type something like this, how to become more confident, or more productive, right? There's millions of titles. So take a look at one. Improve people's skills, master your emotions. So you're going to have books that are written by authors, but also books that are kind of written by people like us. And that's what you want to be thinking about, right? So here's a book here, 7 Secrets of Confidence, $2.99. Let's see how many pages it has. Okay, too many pages, 336. But if we open this book, I guarantee you it's going to have less pages, 32 pages. I knew that because the topic of this book, how it's set up, I know that this person is trying to make money. He's not trying to be a Pulitzer Prize winner. He's not trying to, get invited to author conferences or anything. He just wants to put a book out there and make money. And take a look at this one. You can scroll down and you can see the bestseller rank, right? And depending on the bestseller rank, you can determine roughly how many copies they're selling per day, per month, etc., etc. I'm going to be showing you that tool a little bit later in the video, where you can go to any book and estimate how much money they're making, which is an amazing tool. So these are the 3 main categories. And remember, guys, how to become more confident could be how to become more productive, right? And you're going to find, again, the same kind of books. You're going to find these long books, and you're going to find books that are like 20 pages, right? So how about this one? Laziness, 39 pages. How did I know that? Well, because the cover is not, the highest quality. And something about the cover, something about the title just gave me an idea that this is going to be a book that this person is trying to make money. 39 pages. Can you even call it a book? I mean, I have many doubts that you can call it a book. It's probably like a long article, right? It's like a long article on a website somewhere, right? But nevertheless, people can turn it into a book. So now that you understand the 3 main markets, and guys, you have to think the category you're going to be working with, it needs to be connected with what you want. Now, if you do not want to write this book, right, you can just simply Google for PLR. And this is private label rights, right? This is an option you can go to. I did not go down this route. The books I'm selling, I wrote them myself. But if you want to, save time, you want to have a shortcut, you can just Google for buy quality PLR. So this is a site that I used. There's lots of other sites. I'm not affiliated with any of these sites. You can open the site here and you can get content just about anything, right? Autoresponder messages. You can get books. Look at this one, PLR books. Let's open that up. Let's open this up, see what they have. And look at this. They have these books. You can download this book. They're going to give you a free book. It's only $5. You can download it. And you can republish it as an Amazon book, right? You can maybe edit something out, travel mistakes to avoid, right? Maybe somebody's already selling it. This is a solid option. Or you can go out and write your own book. It's really up to you. This is a shortcut here. Take a look at this one. So let's say I want to buy this one, 3,300 words. So this is a very, very short book, right? The books that you're typically going to be writing, or if you want to write, is going to have 100,000, 150,000 words, right? it's not going to have 3,000 words. So this is a very, very short booklet, but you can sell it on Amazon. You can also use it as an autoresponder, and you can use it in many ways. So this is an option as well. And so it's really up to you. You can write it yourself. You can go to Buy Quality PLR. You can get content there, and this way you can actually, have a book. You can actually get going. The next thing you want to do is, once you decided what you want to do, you want to create, you want to have a title ready, you want to have the description ready, and you can do that by looking at top selling books in your niche, okay? Once you're done that, the next place you want to do is you want to go to kdb.amazon.com. Okay, you're going to sign in, you're going to create your free account, and this is where you're going to create a new title, right? You have your new, you can create a series. But what you're going to be doing is this. You're going to click on Kindle ebook. You're going to go in here, and you are going to go ahead and you're going to complete this thing, right? So we have language, the book title. So for instance, how to make money. For instance, how to make money online. You have a subtitle here. Don't worry about the series. Don't worry about edition. The author is going to be either your real name or your pen pal name. You can use either one or the other. It has to sound legit. It has to actually sound like a human name. Do not write like, whatever people have in their emails. Have a cool name. You can have your own name, or you can use a PayPal. Contributors is optional. The description is, like I said, you're going to go here. This is the description, right? So he has this author, Nia James, they have a description here. So you can just model it after that. Publishing right, you own the copyright, right? If you got PLR, you own the copyright. If you did it yourself, you own the copyright. Public domain is something else. You can click here and you can learn about it, right? Keywords, very, very important. Keywords are how people are going to be looking at your title, how people are going to be finding your title, how to make money online, right? You can have, and the way you get keywords is you go in here and you can just type how to make, look at that, money online. And it fills it in, money online. You can type this. And you can see how to become a millionaire. And you can see the top results. And you can use that as your keyword. So how to become a millionaire could be one of your keywords. Make money as a life coach could become one of your keywords. This is kind of what you want to do. So you can do something like this. How to become a millionaire. How to make money as a life coach. Something like that. And you can have more keywords. Categories, very important. The same thing. You can just go open the book. So let's say we have this book here. And we scroll down. Right? We're going to scroll down. You're going to see categories. This is in 2 categories. Money and monetary policy, and small business and entrepreneurship. Very, very simple. And you can do the same thing. You can go in here. And you can set 2 categories. So you're going to click this. And you're going to figure out. We have nonfiction, business and economics. And you're going to go ahead and find the categories. Maybe it's, business. It could be whatever. Entrepreneurship, right? You can have something like this, save. And now you have 1 categories, right? Age range. This is optional. I wouldn't worry about it. And then you can choose, I'm ready to release my book now. And the next thing you want to do, if you go on save and continue, once we enter this, I enter my name. So let's say I do James Hustle here. I have my description. Okay, I'm gonna go next. Save and continue. Okay, so it saved it. We're gonna go to the next step. And this is the content, right? Enable DRM. You can set no, it doesn't really matter. Here you have the cover. Now you can create your own cover in Photoshop. You can go to Fiverr, pay somebody $5 to create a cover. It's no brainer. The covers are very, very cheap. You can preview your book, right? You can preview it. Once you upload it, you can actually preview how it's going to appear on Kindle, right? This is Kindle ebook preview. And then ISBN, all of this is optional. Once you fill this out, once you upload your manuscript, upload your cover, you're going to hit save and continue. I can't do that because I don't have an ebook to upload to show you exactly how it's done. You're going to go save and continue, and you can set the price. Now, the way you set the price is you're going to be setting a price anywhere from $4.99 to $9.99. If you want to be ambitious, you can go to the upper range, $9.99. If you don't want to be ambitious, you could set it at $5.99. and just get the feel for it, right? Just get the feel of what's happening. And that is the way to do it. Now, you can create multiple ebooks. I have multiple ebooks that I'm selling in different niches, which kind of, helps me to diversify some of my income. That is a method that you can use as well. It's really, really up to you. And that is the way you do it, guys. Now, I can make this video very, very long, but I want to tell you that the easiest ways to get started is to just put something out there and just see what happens. That's the easiest way to get started. Now, I promised you in the beginning of the video to show you a cool tool that lets you calculate a rank. And this is called Amazon Sales Rank Calculator. And as you can see, it was last updated here. So this is pretty legit. And you can enter a rank. So let's say we enter rank 20,000. And you can see this person is selling 13 books per day. Let's say the rank is 100,000. Right? And this is one book per day, right? Not that much. Let's say the rank is 2,000. I've seen books selling 2,000, 90 books per day, and you're making a ton of money. 90 times, let's say, $10 ebook, that's $900. You typically get about 70% of that. Amazon keeps 30% of that. You can do the math. That's a lot of money. That's still a lot of money. It's like $600 per day. And so you can take a look at this tool. You can just Google for Amazon Sales Rank Calculator, and you can see how to calculate all of that. And that is the method that you use in order to create these books. Now, if you want to be super ambitious, I recommend just creating one book in each of the main categories. So one make money online, one kind of a weight loss fitness book, and one book having to do with self-help, self-improvement, productivity, etc., etc. And then you will have a much better idea which book is doing well, which book isn't doing well, and then you can create more books in that niche that's doing well. This is actually a strategy that I'm using right now to expand my empire of books. And so I'm going to be making another video later on just to show you what has worked for me so that you can learn from my experience. All right, guys, so that is the method I wanted to share with you guys today. Really hope you've gotten value here. Smash the like button, leave a comment below if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video.